Hi guys, welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Here I am unboxing our new modern kitchen LED light. As you can see from the box, we got it from Amazon, and I'll be leaving a link in the description. It came with a remote, installation instructions, and an installation note. And there it is. This is the 6-ring version. So I laid out all the rings together and started screwing in the threaded tubes one at a time. I only threaded them in about halfway because on some of them you have to run the wire through and I didn't want to pinch it. Now that all the threaded tubes are in place, it's time to connect the rings to the main ring. So you're gonna match up the number and push the threaded tube through the main ring, and you're gonna catch them with a lock washer and a nut and tighten them down. Now it's time to connect the 3 smaller rings to the main ring using these gold colored threaded tubes. Just match up the numbers. The shorter thread goes toward the smaller rings. The longer thread goes towards the main ring. Thread them in carefully so you can't go any further and you're good to go. I was having some trouble threading these in, possibly because of the gold paint on the threads, but eventually I got them in and I started putting the lock washers and again the nuts and tightening everything down. So I tightened all the nuts down with an adjustable wrench, just enough to where everything looked like it was holding properly. Here I'm trying to clean the threads a little before putting these on. Here I'm tightening up the last few nuts, and then I'll verify that all the others are tightened down properly, and that's pretty much it for this step. And this is what it looks like when everything's tightened down. I didn't show it, but just connect each wire to a header on that board, and the power supply has double-sided tape on the other side, so if you want you can use that to keep it in place. I didn't bother. I verified that the breaker was still off and proceeded to extend the wires coming from the ceiling using Romex wire as seen here. And there you have it. I strongly suggest you get a helper because doing this on your own is going to be a little tough. So this is the remote it comes with, and I tried to show the different color temperatures, but it doesn't look like it came out too well on video. In today's video, we want to send a shout out to Blessing Art and Creation, Cindy Cheever, Caitlin Simpson, Rosa Pacheco, ADP Danny, Becky Cates, Francino Victory, Diane Kalka, and JM. Thank you for your support, guys. So in our hallway, we decided to change out the old light fixture that was there and put this modern looking pendant LED light. It comes in a 2-pack and the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.